this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm trying a Lemoyne star out using half square triangles, and I saw this on the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I thought I'll have a go at it, and then I can put it side by side with the one that's done not half square triangles and see if you can tell that much of a difference. So it's two of one of your coloured squares, and they're 5 inches, all of them are 5 inches square, and two of the other colour. I've also got two white squares, one goes on one colour, one goes on the other, and then those two coloured ones go together, and you take them to your sewing machine and sew 1/4 of an inch all the way round on all three before you cut them up. So I'll do that now. You'll probably see better on that one with me using white thread. I've sewn all the way around 1/4 of an inch. So now it's just slicing them in 4. Now you can go off the end and back on as you're sewing them round, or you can do them moved it, never mind, let's move it back, or you can do same as I've done, is pivot your work, but you just need to trim it in 4. And what I'm going to do now is press them back and trim them up, because these are working out at, this one is just over 3. See what this one is. This one's 2.5. So I think I will trim them up to get them all the same size. I have shown you before about squaring up using a normal square ruler, and now it's just laying them out how they go together. But you also need some white squares, 3-inch white squares. I forgot about them. Let me just find them. That's it, I've found my white squares now. But we're just laying them out, and I'll turn them round so they're facing you. Oh, no, it doesn't really matter. We want a white square in each corner. Then we want one with the white there, a white and the other colour there, and that one there. So you end up with that. Now you can make it as a 4 patch, do 4 of them and sew them together, or you can do them in rows. Let me just lay this out, because I think I'll probably do it in rows. It's figuring it all out though. Nope, that's the wrong way. So you have to be careful if you're doing it in rows. No, I've done something wrong here. Just a minute. It just took me a few minutes to figure it all out. And you can sew those four together, then four together, together, and then sew your rows together, whichever you want to do. So I'm just going to sew them together, and then I'll put them next to the other one to see if we can see a difference. There is the Lemoyne star done in half square triangles, as compared to the Lemoyne star done the method that I used, and I've always known there's not much in it at all, and once it's in a quilt and quilted up, you'll hardly know the difference. And these two blocks will be going in the same quilt and quilted up, so I can always update you at a later time once I've done that. So thank you, bye.